In this video, I will show you how to withdraw from OKX wallet. First, open your Play Store or Apple Store and search OKX. Download and open the OKX app on your mobile phone. Create your account or log into your account by adding your credentials if you already have it. Go to Assets at the bottom of the screen. Then tap on the funding option at the top of the screen. Go to the dotted icon at the upper left side of the home screen. You will see different options on this list. Search for the option P2P trading and tap it. You will see different transactions from many users. Tap on Profile at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down and tap on Payment. Tap on Add Payment Method and select the payment method you want. Select the currency by tapping on the Currency option. You will see a list of currencies and select the one you want to withdraw. Select the payment method by tapping on the Payment option. You will see a list of methods and select the ones which you want. For demonstrative purposes, I choose Payoneer. Enter your account name and then your email address. After adding the information, tap on Add. Go back to P2P and tap on the cryptocurrency name below the Buy or Sell option. Select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. You can sell the crypto by selecting the Sell option in P2P. Add the quantity and amount in the blank space, and then tap on Sell USDT to sell the cryptocurrency. Check out the link given in the description to create your account on OKX. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.